Hi you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is such a beautiful day out. Today is Sunday and tomorrow is President's Day, so it's a beautiful 3-day weekend. Quinn and I just got back from Home Depot. We got some dirt for the raised beds because today I need to plant like lettuce and radishes and stuff like that. And it's just like so beautiful outside. I'm so excited for the springtime and the spring weather. Yesterday, I started a bunch of seeds, like vegetable seeds and herb seeds, but I ran out of seed starting mix to do the flowers. So needed to get some of that too from Home Depot. So today is basically a continuation of yesterday. Okay, added 5 bags to this bed, and I actually think maybe like 2 more because I want the soil to go to like right up here. Not too high, but I feel like a little bit more soil would help. All right, I have 6 bags in each bed. I still think I could probably put another bag or 2 in this bed. So far, this looks good enough. I did want it to be like kind of higher up here, but this one looks so much better. It was so low. So I'm gonna go back to the store and get some more dirt. This is like really nice dirt. It's like nice and lofty, but there's no peat in it. It's awesome. And actually you can tell I need a lot more dirt in this one. This is much smaller, so it won't take that many bags. That one and in that one last year, those beds were so low, but I honestly don't know where the dirt goes. Like, where does it go? I already have the onions in these beds, but I bought more onions and shallots because, as you can tell, this looks a little sparse, and this is how it looked last year, but not all of the onion bulbs that I planted actually took. So I bought some more, and they're like 80 in here. So I'm gonna fill this back in and hopefully can get some onions. I'm starting a bunch of flowers. These are gonna be like cutting flowers. Last year I didn't grow any cut flowers at all, and I was so sad because I really missed having cut flowers in the house. So I'm definitely gonna grow them this year. I'm growing all different types, and they're gonna go in my cut flower garden / butterfly garden. Okay, you guys, it is getting darker. It's like 5:30 right now. Now I need to go ahead and prune the hedge of hydrangeas I have. I pruned both of the limelight hydrangeas yesterday, so those look really good, but I need to do the little limes. I have like a row of little limes and bobos, I believe. So I need to go ahead and prune those. These ones look pretty good, but I do want to trim up the one that have the old flower heads on them.
Today I just got back from Lowe's and Home Depot and I got a ton of plants. I want to just clean up little areas and add some color to my gardens. Yesterday Quentin and I added some soil to all of the veggie beds, so everything is looking really good. We got a lot of fresh soil in here. We used some raised bed mix as well as some of the black cow manure I like to add on here, and then I unboxed and put together my new Tight and Tall tomatoes. Tomato cages, not tomatoes, but these are going to be perfect. They're not on here all the way yet, so I need to work on that, but these are going to be awesome because last year my tomato cages were not tall enough. I think they stopped like right here or up here or something, and the tomatoes grew to be super tall that I had to add like really tall poles. So I'm really thankful for these large containers because these are going to be awesome. But one thing that I love to do is add marigolds to all of my beds. So I just picked these up from Lowe's, and I picked up this 12 pack of French dwarf marigolds. They're so beautiful. Look at that color. And then I picked up some of these more traditional like African marigolds in the gold color as well as the butter yellow. Okay, while the bees are strategizing how to sting me or whatever, I have these 3 containers that I had tulips in, and I need to clean these out because I want to put the 3 daisies in here. So usually I would let the tulips yellow and die, but I kind of just want to get everything out of here and clean it up. These are Gerber daisies. These are the Gardenia Sweet 16. These are so beautiful, and I thought these would be the perfect pop of color for these pots. Picked up a pack of these really beautiful creamy yellow petunias. These are the Wave brand petunias, and they come in a big pack for like $10, and these are so stunning. They're gonna grow in mass, so I only put 3 in a pot because I didn't want to overwhelm the pot, but they will fill in. My super petunias I put in this pot as well, or actually calibrachoas I put in here. And again, these will fill out. And so in this pot I got 1 geranium as my thriller, and I just got a simple white geranium. I have my super petunias over here, some of this creeping Ginny, and then my other super bells that are gonna trail and fill up this space. So it's gonna look so good.